fart bags. Today is a dark and dreary day in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So that is why I have a light on over here, which you can't see. But I was hoping there would be some sunlight, but it's snowing. And today I wanted to unbox the next diamond painting that I believe I'm going to be working on, unless something changes today in the mail. We're going to be looking at War Pony. Focus, camera, focus. We're going to be looking at War Pony from Diamond Art Club. Let's get out my non-melee machete. And let's open it up. If I can open it up, I'm struggling. The struggle is real over here. Okay. Is that it? Oh, there's more in the box. Come on. Okay. So there's our kit. So if you've never had a Diamond Art Club before, it comes with all these things. Baggies, 2 plates of wax, a tray, and a pen. And and a 4-placer, which is stuck in here. 4-placer. See? 4-placer. This is a big painting, so we might have to move to the floor. My intentions are to work on this one next, but we shall see. It comes with, this is a sticker, so you can actually peel the entire thing. These are really handy for kitting up, but you already knew that. And it's 32 colors. The name is War Pony. It's a round with 2 ABs. And it measures 56 by 71 centimeters. War Pony, so beautiful. I never, when this one first came out, I wasn't sure if it was something that I wanted, but I really liked the image, but I was like, I don't really know if I want this one. Is it worth the money? And then Black Friday hit, and I was like, okay, I'm getting War Pony. Someone did an unboxing of it on YouTube, and I was like, oh, I really like this one, so I ended up getting it. So here we have the drills, instructions, and let's take a look at the canvas, because that's what you're here for. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a lot of confetti. I don't know if I want this one to be my next one. Let me just fail at unboxing because I can't even roll it backwards without crunching it. Here is War Pony. It's huge. Again, it is 56 by 71 centimeters by Lori Prindle. Should we move to the floor? I don't know if I want to take this to the floor. Pretty dark out, so we won't move to the floor because it is dark out and I don't have a light over there, but you can see this, you can really see the glitter in this canvas. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but usually the glitter, I feel like this one is extra glittery. I don't know, but it is really beautiful. There's gonna be tons of confetti over here, which doesn't make me excited to do this one, not gonna lie. I am a color blocking fan. I like when there's a good balance of color blocking and confetti. So this one kind of makes me nervous. There's some color blocking over here. This makes me nervous, but you can, with this confetti that I don't really like, it will be really detailed, which is great for the diamond painting itself, but for me personally, it has a lot of confetti and it scares me. It scares me to my bones. It's really pretty though. And take a look at the drill field. Let's look at the horse's eye. So here's his eye. Just assuming it's a male horse. Is there a name for a female horse? You know how female pigs are called sows? Is there a name for female horses? Leave a comment below if there is. I don't know. I'm not a farm person. Being from Alberta, which is the Texas of Canada, you'd think that I would know these things, but I don't. And I don't watch hockey either, just while we're on the topic of Canadian stereotypes. But I do like Tim Hortons coffee, but it's not something that I crave. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the canvas. Just can't get over how much confetti there is. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. This is going to take me forever. I feel like this is one that I'm going to kit up and be super stoked to do, and then halfway through just give up. So we won't let that happen. I'll either kit it up or work on something else. Let's put this away and check out the drills. So it says War Pony here. If you do store your drills separately, that's helpful. Is it more helpful if I move the light? I don't know. Here are the drills that come with it. Ooh, it's going to be annoying to get back into the bag, but here we go. Drill train, blah blah blah. Let's only stop when there's ABs. Lots of like earthy colors. This must be the earthy color strip. Here's the colorful strip where we have our ABs, so 141, which are these white ABs. $129, it's kind of like a beige, I don't know, yellowy AB. I'm scared of this diamond painting. It's making me nervous because of all the confetti. Lots of 310s and then 3371, which is really dark too. So lots of earthy colors, some colorful drills too, but mostly it's just earthy colors. I feel like it's a good one to work on during this dark, dreary weather we're having in Edmonton. And yeah, that is basically War Pony. Thank you so much for joining me. What do you guys think of this canvas? Should I be scared to work on it? Give me some motivation in the comments below. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can join my hive of people who like diamond painting unboxings and like diamond painting in general. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!